The first thing we have to do to fix the Delage doors is to align them. We've done new hinge pins and bushings on the hinges. Now we have to create shims because there are no adjustment on the door and somebody's chopped out the pillars where the hinges go. So we'll make shims to make it all fit. There are 60 screws to hold 4 hinges. What a pain. Here's the Delage upper door hinge. There's 5, 10, 15, 20 screws for one hinge. Down below we've got 5 and there's 5 into the door. That makes a total of 30 screws. The hinge pins in here and bushings have all been repaired already in advance, but all the screws here, they're stripped. I put larger ones in for now so I can try to line the door with them, and I'll repair that later. The center bolts here I've drilled them right through the pillar with washers and nuts on the back in order to hold the doors more solid. The self-tappers were stripped there too. We're going to put the proper head screw in later for all of them, and we'll repair the threads. In the meantime, we're going to have to make shims behind these up and down or wherever we need them to try to line the door back. Somebody has chopped all the wood out of the pillar. It's either replace the whole pillar or create shims and bring the door back to an original fit. So I have to make various thickness of shims, as you can see here, for each hinge. Unfortunately, each hinge has the different hole locations. No two are the same. From left to right, the top to bottom, left half, right half, nothing's interchangeable. So each hole has to be located separately, which means I have to draw out a pattern for each hinge half. Upper, lower, in, out, left, right on the door. There's 60 holes. So it turns into rather a big job. I'll make hinges from 1/16 to 1/4, only an initial starting series, one for each sort of deal or a couple per door. Hopefully I don't have to make too many before I get the door to fit. It's a bit of a trial and error thing because there's no set way to do it. They drilled them all randomly when they built the car. Strange. And there's no adjustment on those doors, so I guess that's why they did that. So they would clamp the door in position and then move it later a little bit here or there, then drill the holes. Now I'm stuck with trying to do it where somebody's hacked all that, but that's what we're going to do. Wish me luck. Please like and follow.